In today's rapidly changing world, the importance of sustainable agriculture and food security has become increasingly evident. In response to these growing needs, Professor Rajeev Varshney, a Fellow of the Royal Society and a world-renowned agricultural scientist at Murdoch University, is leading the charge to revolutionise farming through the power of genomics.
Genomics is basically to understand the genes of any crop, of any organism. Now, by using the genomics technology, if we can identify the genes which are responsible for high yield, for tolerance to drought, tolerance to different abiotic and biotic stresses, then based on these information, we can accelerate the breeding processes.
The advancements in genomics have been made possible through collaborations with BGI Group, a global leader in life science technology.
I remember that when I met Dr. Beeching Yang in 2011 in Italy, and we were generating some sequencing data, but this was very expensive. But together with the collaboration with BGI Group, we demonstrated that scientists from developing countries can lead international sequencing consortiums. So this is the power of technology, power of the partnership, and in today's date, you can generate sequencing data for not 1, 2, 10, hundreds, but thousands of the genomes, and you can deploy them in the breeding program.
In the landscape of genomics research and technology, numerous groups and companies worldwide are striving to make significant advancements. What sets BGI Group apart is not merely their role as a service provider, but their commitment to collaborating with all researchers worldwide.
In the genomics space, there are different sequencing, genomics technologies, groups, different companies around the world. One key thing with the BGI Group is that they are not just service provider. When they work with the scientist or the research institute, they work as a true collaborators in terms of the data analysis, in terms of the interpretation. You will not find with many other sequencing or genomics technology group or companies, etc.
BGI Group's accessible and affordable sequencing technology empowers scientists to contribute to genomic research.
Now going forward, in future, I'm very excited to see that BGI Group is always coming up with this new technology. So on one hand, the precision is going higher, on the other hand, cost is going down. So I think those kind of technological advances, partners of BGI Group, and evolution of the technology through the BGI Group is very helpful.
Moving forward, the challenge lies in effectively utilizing the wealth of genomic information available. Researchers need to devise strategies to incorporate this knowledge into crop improvement programs, ensuring food security for the growing global population.
In this direction, I think this is required for us, that we need to understand the genome architecture of almost all crops. The most important thing is that how we can use this wealth of information in the crop improvement. And I know based on my collaboration with BGI Group is already moving ahead in this direction. So I think that we can continue to accelerate in both areas, basic science as well as in the practical application of genomics for improving agriculture, not only in the developed countries, but also in the developing world.